Hi, I'm Julie, keeper of my home. Welcome back to my channel. It's a sad day here. It's been a sad week. If you watched Friday's video, then you know Holly has been sick. We took her to the vet to find that she had bone cancer. We didn't expect it. We thought maybe an infection or something along the lines that she'd had a couple of months ago, but they had said that she'd been suffering for some time now. She put on an awfully strong front because we never knew. If you're new to my channel, we had a boxer named Holly. She's been the love of our life for almost 10 years. The most fiercely loyal dog anyone could ever have. She probably made a few enemies, but she was so loving. Her job was to protect her family, and she took that job seriously. I don't think we'll ever have another dog like her. As a matter of fact, I told my husband we can't have another dog because I can't give my love away again. I can't possibly go through that again. This has been one of the hardest things we've ever had to do. I just wanted to bring this video to you in honor of Holly. She was a good dog, and we will miss her.
been praying through the evening. I've been praying through the night, asking every higher power for a meaning, for a sign. Go when you go home. Take what you need to feel.